Welcome to the Concerto brothers. Today we're going to be doing some unboxes of some stuff Magnus bought in the internet for his car. There's some special treats in there, very special for his car, and you guys will like it very much.
First box.
Hi guys, I'm going to do the first box. First box, we have
Dialectic grease.
that. And here we got the oil pen bolt and some more rings, of course, because we always change the rings. It's important to do that. And that's it for this box, literally.
Second box.
And it's Magnus doing it now.
Hey yo! We got some spark plugs. NGK spark plugs. Got the ignition cables.
That I need for my car. Really soon it's going to be there.
Okay, next box. Next box. Let's do it.
God motherfucking damn!
Let's do it. Let's do it. Peraí, peraí.
Let's go. What the fuck, obrigado. Quanto é que elas custaram?
Let's see what we got
5 euros
in here.
cada uma. 4 alguma coisa.
It is
Let's go, man.
the air filter.
Hey yo, it's the Ufi L filter, let's go!
Look at this.
It's
Take it out.
Let me show you.
it's
Look at
it's
this.
iron coated. This is the best filters. I love them. Just
You can see.
if you chrome this and this if this was red, it will be amazing.
Yeah, that box.
Box.
Put it in.
Filter.
Bro is now a filter. What the fuck?
Hey yo, what the fuck?
I think bro has some type of problem.
Eu magoei-me no nariz.
Put it in here.
So that's all the boxes. We have the coilover that just arrived as well. Max speeding.
Wait, I'm gonna take out just to show you. Max speedings. Coilovers. Yes. Thank you for the hat, Magnus.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Yes, it is.
Vou partir aqui para aqueles russos, mano.
It actually looks good in you know? You look like the Tripalovsky.
Tripalovsky.
Everybody, another day.
Hello.
We got some new tools and we'll be taking the rear suspension of that Concerto. And I'll be replacing my air filter. Yeah, claro. So look up what we got. The impact gun
Dynametric.
and the dynametric. Yeah. And the filter that I'm going to replace. And he is also going to clean his car a bit, I guess, with these products. Tá perto. Não está. It's stuck. Yeah.
Pit stop. Pit stop with Akio. Nice. So yes, this is our new machine. And it's very strong, finally. Something good for us. Now you go under here. And I go up here. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. That's one. It was fast. Had to take the wall under suspension arm off.
It's out.
This thing won't come off.
Tá.
Chegamos perto. Okay, wanna see something fun? Now it's the front ones we need to get done. So we can have the car on the floor and running. That's Magnus. he's going to pull that thing off with a tube. So I can put the wheel. Tá. Puxa pra você. Puxa. Pera. Aguenta-te mais um bocado. Anda. Curva. Espera. Aguenta até eu meter as pernas. Ah, Vivi, what are you doing? Full nothing. Nobody's going to run this car, so fuck it. Science with Akio.
We're going low with this one.
I think we went a bit too low.
Stance, boys. Let's see. Let's check the fitment.
And I will argue that it still feels better than my car. No, meu guys. Posso? Aí. Cara, para quem está descasca, assim. Mete na máquina e aperta. Espera aí.
Let's check the fitment. Agora que eu me lembro, se um gajo quiser tirar as rodas não dá.
Dá.
Com o macaco.
E o outro macaco metemos tipo aqui, estás a ver, subimos e depois metemos este.
The car is slammed, guys. Bro, look at. There's no space left. No space left.
What the hell? Hey man, Wait.
Jesus.
Let's do something.
If they go low, I go lower. Lower.
It's awesome.
That's crazy. Now let's focus the attention on our concertos. He's going to clean his car, right?
Huh?
You're going to clean your car with some products?
Yes, do some cleaning. My car is a bit disgusting right now, so...
I mean, he's a disgusting person, so...
Shut the fuck up, you
We have to cut that out.
Hey guys, let's take it apart. now we take this out. Yucky, it's as you would expect. It's horrible. Now, I wanna do something if Magnus let me do it. Yippee! Let's check this out.
Posso ligar? Let's put the new one in.
Dude,
The new one. It's on.
I have girly hands. They're small.
Bitch. Now it's going to. Sorry,
fuck?
sorry guys. Now he's going to clean his car.
You monkey man.
Let's see if he does a good job.
I don't have a vacuum cleaner though.
Shut the fuck up. Okay guys, we are at this car wash.
Yes.
Like he was going to vacuum his car. Now that I got that torque wrench, I can put my steering wheel. But I'll leave that to another video.
I'd still wait a few more days to feel the same way.